All right, let's talk mortgage rates and where they're likely to go in the near future. Before we jump into that content, again, my name is Mike Thornton. I'm a realtor here in the Chicagoland area, servicing the west suburbs. If you have any questions or considering a move here, set up a 15-minute discovery call with our team. The link's in the description. Or if you just want to chat real estate, happy to do that as well. Again, all my contact information is below. All right, let's jump right in because this is important to know when trying to predict where mortgage rates are going. There's a typical spread between the 10-year Treasury and mortgage rates and what you can find in the marketplace as far as pricing goes. There's a typical spread. They kind of follow each other historically. And you can kind of see, we're going back 23 years here. You can see on this chart that typically there's about a 1.5% to 2% spread between where the 10-year Treasury is and where mortgage rates are. Now, right now, there's one of the largest spreads that we've seen ever at about 3%. So you have the Fed funds rate that correlates to the 10-year Treasury, which then ultimately correlates to your mortgage rates that you can find out in the marketplace. So there's a story to be told that even if we came back in line with the traditional spread, we could be in the low sixes. And if the Fed does cut their Fed funds rate and the 10-year Treasury responds to that, you could see mortgage rates actually in the fives. Now we're hovering right about just under 7% now. So that spread remains very high. And that's really what we're watching because we really don't need the Fed to cut rates really at all to still see rates in the high fives, low sixes. Again, that would help if they did that. But there's a story to be told that you're going to have a chance, to refinance if you're locking into a rate right now close to 7 in the near future if that spread softens. So this is something to watch and something to be aware of if you're thinking about locking into a mortgage.